वै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणां प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे 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 नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितसं वदामि राधां करुणावराद्रां ततो ममानसे गतिर्न पाहि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Guru Pada Padma. Nitya Lila Parishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satsya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sri Vamana Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Parishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satsya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sri Narayana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam Nitya Lila Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gaura Govinda Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhara Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vinod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Sannyasi Vrinda, all Vaishnava and Vaishnavis, and all my respectful guests. So today is a very super excellent, auspicious day, because the disappearance day of Bhaktivinoda Thakur and the disappearance day of Gadadhar Pandit. Just you heard the glories about Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Srila Gadadhar Pandit. And you heard Gadadhar Pandit is none different from Srimati Radhika. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj also went two Gadadhar Pandits, not one. How many? Two. One is called Gadadhar Pandit and another Gadadhar Dasa. Gadadhar Pandit, he was the direct Srimati Radhika. And Gadadhar Das, he was the manifestation of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika's Prakash. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, discussed in this way. Gadadhar Pandit and Gadadhar Das. Okay. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not Radha. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. Antar Krishna, Bahir Gaura. Inside he is Krishna. According to the conception of the scriptures, Shastra Siddhanta, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. So Jiva Goswami Pad in Sandarbha explained, Antar Krishna Bahir Gaura. Bahir means outside, is Gaura means, that is called fresh complexion. Actually this fresh complexion, that means Srimati Radhika is completely, absolutely covered Krishna's body. So for this regard, also explain this way, who is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Again, the combined form of Radha and Krishna. Because Srimati Radhika's complexion non-different from Srimati Radhika also. And he is Krishna. So Radha Krishna Milita Tanu Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So now try to understand these things. But Gadadhar Pandit is Srimati Radhika in Krishna Lila. But Gadadhar Pandit, he has come in Mahaprabhu Lila, that is called male form. Because mostly Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Lila, they have come from Golok Vrindavan in the form of male form. And all they are helping Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preaching Nam Sankirtan. Because in Golok Vrindavan, Krishna told to all the Gopis and Srimati Radhika, soon I will go Setadip. That Setadip, that is called non-difference from Vrindavan, that is called hidden Vrindavan, Gupta Vrindavan. And I will manifest my sweet pastimes, that is called Gauranga Sarup. And in my Gauranga Sarup, I will perform Nam Sankirtan Ras dance. In Vrindavan, I perform Ras dance with the gopis. But that time, many unqualified persons, they could not understand my highest mood. They criticized to me. Especially Sisupal, they criticize these types of people. I am the Supreme Personality of Godhead, I am the Supreme Enjoyer, Bhokta. But they can't understand about me. So they criticize to me. Especially in the Kali Yuga, not one Sisupal will come. How many? Thousand. Sisupal will come, that means they will criticize to me. So for this regard, Krishna told all the gopis, I will perform Ras dance. But Navadip, that is called Nam Sankirtan Ras dance. You have to also assist my this Nam Sankirtan. And Chaitanya, that means Krishna also told everybody should come with male form. So for this regard, most of the gopis, they descended from Golok Vrindavan in Mahaprabhu's Lila, male form. Gadadhar, Srimati Radhika, Gadadhar, male form. Sarup Damodar, also. What is called? Lalita Sakhi, she manifests in the form of male form. In all, Rup, Sanatan, Rupa Manjari, Roti Manjari, all they have come. So in this way, Gadadhar is the direct manifestation of Srimati Radhika, Radhika Prakash. In Navadip Lila, Gadadhar Pandit, always he was staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So for this regard, our Vaishnava explained the Gadair Gauranga. That means Gadai means Gadadhar Pandit, he belongs to Gauranga. Or Gauranga, he belongs to Gadadhar. For this regard, Bengali sweet words, that is called nick words. What is saying? Nickname. That is called Gadair Gauranga or Gauranga Gadair. And Gadadhar Pandit from his childhood, always he was staying with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai. Gadadhar he was senior, and Nimai he was a junior. But Gadai and Gauranga always staying together. Sometimes Mother Sochi Devi is confused. Why? Because they are staying together always. As like Ram and Sita. Where is Gadai and there is Gaura. Or where is Gaura Sundar? There is Gadai. Always staying together. And even the sleeping, same bed, going to same school, everything. In this way, Chaitanya Bhagavat explained. Gadai Gauranga Bhai. And Gadadhar always absorbed with Gauranga. 1 second, he can't to tolerate separation from Nimai. This thing. And Mother Sochi Devi, she also served both. As like Mother Kausala, she loved Ram and Sita. In the same way, Mother Shachi Devi, she also loved both. In this way. Or Radha Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, or Gadadhar is what? Srimati Radhika. Because so much Vatsal Bhav, parental mood in the heart of Mother Shachi Devi. But sometimes they also are quarreling. Gadadhar always very calm and quiet and very shy. He did not want to speak words. Because Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's left wing's mood, that is a Vamma Bhav. But Gadadhar always he was submission mode. Never he also expressed his Vamma Bhav because he does not want to disturb Nimai's mood. Very humble and always saying this. But sometimes Nimai is very naughty, cunning, disturbed to him without reason. Disturbed. Why? How? That is called prema kalaha. That is called loving quarrel. Gadadhar he is senior. He goes to school senior. And Nimai that time he was lower class. But sometimes Nimai he discussed her philosophy. So for this regard, Gadai he too scared. He does not want to speak this thing. Who is very small boy and speak high katha, and that time he was stay away. In the same way, Gadadhar, he does not want to speak with Nimai because Nimai he always was blah 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 blah. Philosophy, this. Logic, wants to discuss these things. Gadai he does not want to these things. He does not want to argument these things. Always his mood is submission mood. But Nimai always is very naughty, without reason. Start to speak and logic. Teasing. Just give an example. One Nimai, he asked to Gadadhar, you tell me, according to your logic, because that time Gadadhar, he was the student of logic, Tarka Shastra. And Nimai, now he is only the student of Sanskrit. That's the very low class. But one day Nimai, he asked Gadadhar, okay, you give, according to your logic, Tarka Shastra, you explain what is the meaning of mukti. Mukti means liberation, salvation. Gadadhar told her, how do you know? If I speak mukti tattva, how do you understand? Because you are lower class. But Nimai he is very eager. Then Gadadhar very simple way explain attanti dukkha nivritta vir mukti. One who free from all kinds of distress, misery, that is called mukti. That give an example. If you have one, what is this word? Boil. What do you want? Free from the boil disease. What will do? You go to the doctor. You have to take medicine. How to free from that disease? Boil. So mukti means is how to free from all kinds of disease and distress. That is called mukti. So in the Shastra saying, attantik dukkha nivritti, will be free from all kinds of distress and unhappiness. That is called mukti. Then Mahaprabhu told, no, I don't like this thing. Then Gadadhar he told, okay, Vishnu Angri Labhangri mukti. Real mukti ki one who attend to Lord Vishnu, that is called mukti. Because if you attend to abode of Lord, then you free from all kinds of distress of Maya. Because the abode of Lord is beyond of Maya. If you stay in this material world, you suffer everything. Just Prabhuji, he told. In this